The top 5 family dogs. There are several reasons to bring a pet into the family. Caring for a dog may teach children responsibility, compassion, and patience, as well as keep them busy. However, before you acquire any puppy, always investigate breeds that will match your lifestyle. Some puppies like tussling with boisterous children, but others have inherently sensitive spirits that are better suited to live with children. If you have small children, consider getting an older dog instead of a puppy. Older dogs are more often laid back than younger dogs, which is important if you have children who may yank tails. Temperament varies depending on the animal. In this video, we will show you some of the greatest family dog breeds that will be an excellent starting point for your pet adoption. Number 1. Bichon Frise. The Bichon Frise, a little dog breed that is recognized for being joyful and friendly. Bichon Frises, which originated in the Mediterranean region, have a fluffy white coat that is hypoallergenic and requires frequent maintenance to keep its looks. They are social and amiable, getting along with humans of all ages and other pets. Bichon Frises are clever and eager to please, which makes them very simple to teach. They have a bright and cheerful attitude and like interactive playing and frequent walks. Bichon Frises have a lifespan of 12 to 15 years and offer a joy and friendship to their homes. Number 2. Shih Tzu. The Shih Tzu is a little dog breed with an interesting and extensive history. Shih Tzus were bred in China to be companion dogs for Chinese nobility. For almost 1,000 years, they have been revered and adored. Shih Tzus are distinguished by their looks. They have a short, strong body coated in a beautiful double coat that has to be groomed on a regular basis. Their wide black eyes and small nose give them a kind appearance. They are ideal companion animals owing to their sociable and loving temperament. They normally get along with humans of all ages, especially children, and are friendly with other pets. Shih Tzus, despite their lack of energy, require frequent exercise to keep healthy. Daily walks and engaging playing are generally enough to satisfy their requirements. They are bright and trainable in general, but may be obstinate at times. Shih Tzus, like many other dog breeds, have some health issues to be mindful of. They are susceptible to eye difficulties, lung problems, dental troubles, allergies, and joint ailments. Regular veterinarian care and a well-balanced diet are essential for their general health. Shih Tzus, with an average lifetime of 10 to 16 years, provide delight and companionship to their family for many years. Their loving appearance, amiable demeanor, and long history have made them a popular option for family pets all throughout the world. Number 3. Pug. The Pug is a tiny dog breed distinguished by its unusual look and enduring disposition. Pugs, which originated in China, are distinguished by their wrinkled face, short nose, and curly tail. They have a robust and compact physique. Pugs are social, amiable, and extroverted, making them ideal family pets. They appreciate human company and get along well with other animals and children. Pugs have a lively and mischievous personality and a strong sense of humor. They require moderate activity and live for around 12 to 15 years. A Pug's charming and distinct characteristics provide their owners delight and fun. Number 4. Maltipoo. The Maltipoo is a tiny designer dog breed created by crossing a Maltese with a poodle. They are well known for their lovely beauty and loving behavior. Maltipoos have a silky, curly, or wavy coat that varies in color. They are hypoallergenic and must be groomed on a regular basis. Maltipoos are cheerful, gregarious dogs who make good companions. They get along well with humans of all ages, especially children, and are typically good with other pets. Maltipoos are clever, trainable, and like human connection. Maltipoos with a lifespan of 10 to 15 years provide delight and friendship to their families. Number 5. Miniature Golden Doodle. The Miniature Golden Doodle is a tiny designer dog breed created by crossing a golden retriever and a miniature poodle. They are noted for being sociable and extroverted. Many golden doodles have a wavy and curly coat that can be any hue. They shed very little and must be groomed on a regular basis. Many golden doodles are very friendly dogs who like being around humans and other animals. They are intelligent and trainable, making them appropriate for a wide range of tasks and responsibilities. Many golden doodles with a lifespan of 10 to 15 years provide joy and companionship to their family in a little and loving package. Okay people, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any additional recommendations, please leave them in the comments area below, and we will try our best to include them into another video. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.